This course has been authored by a qualified expert and is delivered in a self-paced format. It's been designed to help you accelerate the mastery and retention of the concepts and skills using a structured learning plan, interactive content, knowledge checks, access to live support, and much more.
Hi, this is Alex from PHP Academy, and in this tutorial we are going to be looking at PayPal IPN. Now, IPN stands for Instant Payment Notification, and this is a feature of PayPal that allows you to specify a link to a page, and in your desired programming language, in this case we're going to be using PHP, you can actually process payments and different variables from your payment to interact with your website. For example, you may have registered on a website and had to make a payment for premium membership, for example. That's the example we're going to be using in this tutorial. You may have had to pay for something which then updates something on your user account with the site that you've paid with. So obviously there's a link here between our page and PayPal, so we need to link our page to PayPal to process a payment, and then from PayPal we pass variables from PayPal to another page on our web server, which then acts upon that payment and does something to our page, or to our database in this case. The database is called IPN, and I have two tables. One's called users, which I store user information, and log, you'll understand a bit later, we're just going to log transaction IDs from PayPal. Now, if you already have a database with username and password and you've got it set up so users can log in, don't panic. The only thing you really need to do is add an additional field onto the end of your table called premium, or whatever you want to call it. And obviously we need PayPal to pass variables, we need to check them, and then once the payment's complete, this value is updated instantly. We don't need to manually check the payment. We don't need to go ahead and open up our emails and say, okay, so and so's paid this amount, and now we can manually update this value. Our PayPal IPN code is going to do that all for us, and it's going to do it securely, so we're going to make sure that we're paying the correct amount, etc.
Enroll now for lifetime access to this course, a certificate of completion, and access to live support whenever you need it.